Hello everybody, this is Bankruptcy again, bringing you another video for your mortgage needs. The video for today is we're going to talk about waiting periods for what is foreclosures and bankruptcies. Okay, so it's very important to know if you had a bankruptcy before, if you had a foreclosure before. It's good to know how long you have to wait to apply for another mortgage. All right, in these cases, we're going to be talking about FHA mortgages. We're going to be talking about conventional and VA loans as well, if that was your case. And at the bottom, you can leave your comment with any questions you have or any information that you need about your mortgage. Just I'll be super glad to answer any of your questions. All right. All right, so let's start with FHA, right? So this is the most popular kind of mortgage there is out there. And it's the easiest one to apply as well. And so in this case, for FHA, if you had a foreclosure, you need to wait at least 3 years to apply for another loan, to be eligible to apply for another FHA loan. So 3 years is for foreclosure. Now for bankruptcies, if either Chapter 7 or Chapter 13, the waiting period is 2 years. If it was a Chapter 13, you need to have at least 12 months of on-time payments and a letter from your trustee or from the court, basically saying that you are good to go with any other loans that you can get. So super easy. FHA 3 years for foreclosure and 2 years for bankruptcy, either Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. All right, if it's conventional, then it's 4 years waiting period for either Chapter 7 or Chapter 11 if you are a company. It's 4 years from discharge or dismissal date. Chapter 13 is 2 years for discharge or 4 years for dismissal date. So let's say you have different bankruptcies within 7 years. So for that rule is 5 years waiting period from dismissal or discharge date within those 7 years of your last bankruptcy. Okay, foreclosures on conventional loans, you have to wait 7 years for foreclosure. If you had a foreclosure, you have to wait 7 years to apply for another conventional loans. We saw on the on FHA is 3 years, but conventional is 7 years. It's a little bit more, we have to work a little bit more on it, but it's 7 years. After 7 years, you can apply again for a conventional loan if you had a foreclosure before. All right, if you apply for a VA loan, on Chapter 7 is 2 years from dismissal or discharge day. Chapter 13 is 12 months of satisfactory payments and a letter from your trustee or the judge signing the new loan. I mean, technically approving the new loan as well. All right, if you are applying for a VA loan and you had a foreclosure, the minimum period time you have to wait is 2 years. Okay, so if you had a foreclosure, you're applying for a VA loan, 2 years you have to wait to apply for a new VA loan. Okay, so in the case on any of these that we've talked about already, FHA, conventional, or VA loans, in the case that you had both together, let's say you had a bankruptcy and you had a foreclosure, is always going to apply the greater time. So if the greater time is 3 years for foreclosure, then it's 3 years that you have to wait to apply for a new loan. All right, I hope the video helped you guys, and if you guys have any questions, again, my information is always here. Or just leave your comment below, send me a text message or call me, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you guys have. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching the whole thing. See you next time. Bye bye.